Good evening. It is Wednesday, September 24th, 2025, and it's time for Danimal Stories, sponsored tonight, as always, by Smiling Dan 2. I don't think he's in the stream tonight, but when he is, please fan him up and thank him for supplying these stories, sponsoring them. What the heck? Here's the headline for tonight's story. Wild boar crashes through sliding door, loiters inside of Florida home. Wild boar crashes through sliding door, loiters inside of Florida home. This is from just a few days ago. It's still news. What the heck? Here's the story. Edward Wells, an 82-year-old Florida resident, experienced a wild encounter when a 300-pound boar, that's B-O-A-R, not B-O-R-E, right? So, like Travis, smashed through a sliding glass door, leading to a tense standoff with local deputies before the animal escaped. Every morning, when Wells sends a message to his daughter, Stacy, to let her know that he is alive. Quote, "I'll text her and tell her I'm alive," Wells said. He then settles in for the afternoon with an Ensure in one hand, that's the protein drink for seniors, and an iPad in the other, enjoying jigsaw puzzles. When Stacy received a phone call on Thursday, instead of the text, she knew something was wrong. "I need to get the hell over there," she said, adding, "Life got crazy yesterday." Wells initially thought that they were being bombed. "I thought, oh my God, we're being bombed," he said. Instead, it was a massive boar. "It's," expletive, "huge," Wells exclaimed. The boar shattered a glass door and attacked the family dog, Bailey, before making itself at home. "For about a half an hour or 45 minutes, the pig just stood there," Wells said. Lee County deputies arrived on the scene, facing the boar in a standoff captured on body camera footage. "Easy, easy, you better not, ugh," a deputy said as they attempted to wrangle the boar. Wells praised the deputies' efforts, saying, "Good for them guys, man. I wouldn't want to be the one doing that." Despite their attempts, the boar eventually escaped. "It was a long, crazy afternoon," Stacy said. Bailey received stitches and is recovering well. Bailey was the dog, remember. As for Wells, he was unfazed by the ordeal. When asked if he was scared, Wells replied, "No," and reiterated, "No, really, for what?" He has since returned to his usual routine, saying, "I do some odd jobs too. I like that." Authorities have warned residents to keep their distance if they spot the boar, which remains on the loose. And there is a picture of said boar escaping. Holy moly. Very good. Big and huge. And that is Danimal Stories for Wednesday, September 24th, 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll get back to the very best music on You Now in just a minute.